Hi, I am Nivadaran from Sri Lanka. It's an international teacher training program on Python with Pictoblox. So I'm also joining that course. So here we have another assignment for testing our skill. According that, we learned loop as well as the list and tuples efficiently. So according that, we have an assignment. So I pick up some idea, right? That's the idea means the students marks analysis system like that. Whenever I run the program, I make the screen bigger. So it asks five options from the end user. So the first one is add students and marks. Second, view student name with results. Third one, edit student name and marks. The fourth one, delete student name or marks. Fifth option is exit. So I put number one, which means I like to add student name and marks as well, right? So I put number one. So it asks enter student name. I type my name Nivan. So it asks the marks from the subject English. So I put 80. Okay, then 78, 52, 41, right? And math 67, right? It's a the student added successfully as well as the marks also. So the second option is I like to view the student name and the result. So I put number 2, right? I will type number 2 and then press enter. It show my name as well as the marks and the grade as well, right? If I like to edit student name and marks, then I press number 3. Then it show how many students added. In our case, I added the only one student, right? So it show the number 1 and the student name. So it asks select student number to edit. So the student number is number 1. So I put number 1. And it asks enter new name. So I put my new name, which in this case I put my new name, which means my full name, Nivadaran. And then I press enter. It asks again enter the marks. So I change the marks. Earlier I put English is 80. In here I put 95, right? 95, enter. As well as the Tamil, earlier I put 78. In here I put 80, right? As well as the Chingala 89, science 85, and maths 75. Okay, right. Then if I like to view again, I put number 2, right? I press number 2. So it shows the marks as well as the result. The earlier marks replaced by the new marks, right? Here you can see the differences. So in this case I use the list for analyst, which means it get the student marks and arrange through the list as well as the all results also. And then I try to delete the student data. So I put number 4. Okay, I press number 4. And again it show the record of the student. It's an only one student, so it show only one, number 1. And it asks select student number to delete. I put number 1, right? It shows successfully deleted, right? And then if I like to exit this program, I like to press number 5 and then press enter. It say goodbye, which means the program exits, right? That's it. Thank you for watching.